Are you concerned with your home's visibility online? You're not alone. Here's how to blur out your home photo from Google Maps in just a few clicks. Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur your home on Google Maps. You can do this on your phone or computer. In my case, I'm using my computer. First, open Google Maps and type in your home address. For this video, I'll use the address of one of our listings as an example. Next, enter Street View. You can either drag the little yellow pegman down in the bottom right corner, right onto the street in front of your house, or just click the photo thumbnail if it pops up. Adjust the view until your home is clearly visible. When you're ready, look in the bottom right corner and click Report a Problem. Sometimes it shows up as 3 dots. If you see that, just choose Report a Problem. A form will appear. Position the red box over your home, and under Request Blurring, select My Home. You can also add extra details in the comments if you like. Finally, enter your email, hit Submit, and you're done. Important tip, once the request is done, this is permanent, so Google will not reverse it. Just make sure you're sure you want to do this before proceeding. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions at all, or if you need some help walking through this, feel free to reach out, send a direct message, or comment below. Hope you stay safe, and let us know if you have any questions.